What's up, Tim Sykes here, flying first class Emirates back to Los Angeles. Check this out. Whew. Pretty sick. I got my champagne. Cheers. Coming back from Africa, a successful trip with VetPaw, one of my favorite charities, which we've donated $250,000 to. But more importantly, I'm going to post a link just below this video that I want you to click. This is a tool that I use every single day that has changed my life. It's made it a lot easier to research. It's made it a lot easier to find the best stocks. It's made it a lot easier to plan my trades. It's made it a lot easier for me to trade from multiple brokerage accounts. This tool can do a lot. It also gets news from a whole bunch of websites, alerts from a whole bunch of websites, SEC filings, charts, level 2. You can even just paper trade now, okay? You don't even need to risk real money. You can practice using paper trading. Paper trading doesn't give you a full education, but at least, you're not risking losing any money, and you can practice. Remember, 90% of traders lose, so you need a lot of practice. Don't be another statistic. Learn to prepare ahead of time. And this tool, like I said, click the link just below this video. I'm sorry, we're literally about to take off, but I want to share with you a tool that has frankly changed my life and changed a lot of my top students' life. Stephen Ducks, one of my newest millionaire students, has been using it since day one, and he's now made over $2 million. Dozens of other top students, literally we're gonna take off, so I can't mention everybody right now, but dozens of my top students use this tool every single day. I don't know what to tell you. I have a lot of video lessons, a lot of DVDs, a lot of just rules for you to learn, but there's one tool. There's no other tool. So a lot of people say, what's like a shortcut? I tell people, look, you can't cheat your way to success. You're gonna have to grind. You're gonna have to learn how to lose. You're gonna have to learn how to manage your risk, learn how to lose small, learn how to take gains, learn how to prepare a watch list, learn how to prepare a trade plan. Ideally have 3, 4, maybe even 5 to 1 risk reward on a trade. Learn what news matters. Learn how to adapt to different markets, whether you want to be buying or short selling or dip buying or breakout buying or shorting the first red day or holding for a day or two or a week or month. We're all different. We all have different personalities. But no matter who you are, no matter where you live, no matter what kind of trades you like to do, there's one tool for everybody. If you've seen Lord of the Rings, there's one ring, right? This is it. This is the tool that will change your life. And it's not going to make you rich overnight. I don't want you to think like this tool was like amazing. Oh, I'll take a date. Thank you. No, I had the orange one already. Thank you. This one's good. They give you dates here on Emirates First Class. Just look at this for one more second. Pretty cool. This tool, no, I'm okay. No coffee. I got to sleep in a little bit. This tool is not a perfect thing, okay? It's not going to just make you rich overnight. What this tool is going to do is cut down your learning time, make it easier to find news, make it easier to find the best stocks, and most importantly, it has 40 plus scans built in every single day, okay? A lot of people say, what are your scans to find the best stocks? It's built into this one tool. I want you to click the link just below. I want you using this tool. It's going to make my life easier. It's going to make your life easier. Like I said, I have several successful students, but I want more. So this tool, I think, is probably like the best thing that you can do aside from studying. But if you want to use one website, if you want to use one tool every single day, this is what I personally use, and a lot of my top students do too. So click the link just below, learn about it. It's only getting better every day. There's more and more functionality added. I'm sorry to kind of tease it a little bit, but I just want you to click. I want you to learn. Some people might say, oh, Tim, you're being pushy. Well, I'm not selling drugs to kids, okay? I'm giving you education. I'm giving you literally the tools to success, the keys to the kingdom. So it's up to you. If you don't want to learn, if you don't want to be my next millionaire student, that's cool. Maybe some people just watch this just for inspiration. Like, look, this is pretty cool. That's fine, whatever you want to do. But a lot of people ask me, what is one website, what is one tool that I should use? This is it. So click the link just below this video. You're welcome in advance. If you don't do it, you're missing out. Your odds are lower of success on every single trade, and I just don't want that. So be successful, check it out, leave a comment below, let me know what you think about this tool. Again, it's not perfect. Nothing in life is ever perfect, but it's the best option that you have for finding the best stocks and then, executing the best stocks and making a lot of money over time. Cheers. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.